Now Werner has discussed one more example. He treated platinum chloride with ammonia by changing the composition of ammonia in solution. When he treated platinum chloride with 6 ammonia, he got this complex, the hexamine platinum 4 chloride. In this complex, total number of ions in solution formed are 4 chloride and 1 platinum complex, 5. When he changing the composition, again the coordination number of platinum here is 6. So 5 ammonia inside and 1 chlorine, 3 chloride outside the square bracket. So ionization, this will give 3 AgCl ions, because on ionization give 4 ions. Similarly with 4 ammonia, again the coordination number of platinum is 6. 4 ammonia, 2 chlorine inside and 2 chlorine outside the brackets, and ionizable part is 3 ions, 2 chloride and 1 complex ion. When the 4 chloride with 3 ammonia inside, 3 chloride inside and 1 chloride is outside the square brackets, and only 1 AgCl will form. Number of ions formed are 2. When you change the composition to 2 ammonia, so all the 6 ligands inside the bracket, this is a non-electrolyte, no ions are formed, so complex is neutral, so total number of ions are 0. So in all these compounds, the first thing is coordination number in all these compounds is same, that is 6. Platinum has coordination number 6, whereas oxidation state, net positive charge, here is 4, here is 3, here is 2, here is 1. So oxidation state number decreases. Now I will be discussing few problems based on valence bond theory, discussing two multiples. One multiple is that is on valence bond theory, Werner theory. Look at these questions based on Werner theory. Coordination compound has formula cobalt chloride 4 ammonia. It does not liberate ammonia but precipitates chloride ion as a AgCl. Give the IUPAC name of the complex and write the formula. First of all, in this compound, it is given that it gives precipitates of AgCl. We know the coordination number of cobalt is 6. So whenever 4 ammonia and 3 chloride, the complex, remembering the coordination number of cobalt is 6, formula of the complex will be that is 4 ammonia and 2 chloride inside the square bracket and 1 chloride will be outside. So what is the name? It is tetraamine dichlorido cobalt 3 chloride. Why 3? Because 3 negative ions. Total number of negative ions either inside or outside the square bracket gives the oxidation state. So it is called cobalt 3 chloride. Another question we'll be discussing 17. Molar conductivity of complex cobalt chloride 4 ammonia 2 water is found to be same as that of 3:1 electrolyte. What is the structural formula of the complex? So that means 3 ions must be outside the bracket, 3:1. 3 ions must be outside the square bracket, and ion outside the square bracket will be chloride. So we'll be having cobalt has a coordination number 6. So 2 water and 4 ammonia, they are inside the square brackets and chloride will be outside. This way the complex should be A3B. A3B means 3 ions, ionizable part, and B is a complex ion. Another question, 18th. Coordination compound with molecular formula chromium CrCl3 4 water precipitate 1 mole of AgCl with AgNO3. Its molar conductivity is found to be equivalent to 2 ions. 2 ions बनते हैं. इसका मतलब 2 ions बनते हैं तो 1 Cl is outside the square bracket. What is the structure formula? Name of the compound. Now in this compound we are having 3 chloride and 4 water, and if you look at the structure, 2 chloride will be inside the bracket along with water and 1 chloride will be outside the bracket because 1 AgCl is formed and total number of ions formed are 2. So look at the solution. द सेम थिंग विच आई हैव स्पोकन, 1 AgCl बनता है, so 1 ionizable chloride part, so 1 Cl is outside the square bracket, 2 Cl inside the bracket and 4 water, because Cl negative पे minus charge है, complex sign पे +1. So this is the formula of the complex. This way we can use the Werner theory.